Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa inilabas na advisory ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Centuros Finance Group 2. So ito, basahin po natin yung nakapalaw po sa advisory ng SEC laban dyan sa Centuros Finance Group 2. This is to inform the public that Centuros Finance Group 2 is not authorized to solicit investments from the public. This advisory is prompted by the information gathered by the Securities and Exchange Commission that individuals or group of persons representing the above named entity headed by its CEO Oliver Pascua are soliciting investments from the public purportedly to be invested in cryptocurrency trading. So yung nagpapakilala daw na CEO niyang scam na Centuros Finance Group 2 ay si Oliver Pascua. Pero hindi naman natin sigurado kung yan ba ang kanyang totoong pangalan. Kaya nga mga kababayan, dapat talaga mag-research kayo, i-check nyo maigi kung yung ba sinasabi ng CEO nyo ay totoo at kung kumpleto ba sila sa legalities. Katulad po niyang Centuros Finance Group 2, kulang po yan sa legalities, wala po yung secondary license. At syempre, karamihan ngayon ng mga companies laging ginagamit yung cryptocurrency trading kasi nga marami pa ang hindi talaga nakakaalam niyang cryptocurrency trading. Akala nila ganun lang kadali at ganun kabilis kumita dyan, pero hindi nila alam may mga risk din dyan. Pwede kang manalo, pwede kang ring matalo, kaya wala pong guaranteed profit sa mga trading. Based on the Commission's database, the said entity is not registered with the Commission as a corporation, OPC, or a partnership. The entity likewise has not been issued by the Commission any license or permit to sell or offer securities to the public or to conduct any activities regulated by the Commission. Centuros entices the public to invest online or through the internet in 3 programs, the Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. Makikita nyo pa lang po dyan sa kanilang pangakong kitaan, talagang scam po yung Centuros Finance Group 2. Kasi 'di ba, nag-offer sila ng double your money sa loob lang na 8 days. Talagang too good to be true yan at napaka-imposibleng maibigay. Yung alpha nila ay 6 days lang daw ay kikita ka daw na 80%. So yung 1,000 pesos mo daw ay magiging 1,800 pesos. Yung Bravo naman ay 8 days daw ang hihintayin mo at kikita ka daw na 120%. Yung 2,000 pesos mo daw ay magiging 4,400 pesos after 8 days. At yung Charlie naman, ang investment mo daw na 5,000 pesos after 10 days daw, ay kikita daw yan ng 160% o guaranteed profit daw na 13,000 pesos. So dyan pa lang po mga kababayan, yung guaranteed profit talaga napaka-imposible niyan. Tapos, more than double your money pa sa loob lang ng 10 days. Yun ngang double your money sa loob ng 30 days o 1 month ay tumatakbo na, lalo na po yung mga ganyang kabibilis. Kasi unsustainable po yan, kasi Ponzi scheme po. Ibig sabihin yung ginagamit nila pang payout do sa mga naunang investors ay galing lamang po sa mga bagong investors. Ang tanging source of income po yung mga companies na yan ay yung pay-in ng mga investors at hindi talaga dun sa trading. Kasi nga, napaka-imposible po ng ganyang kalaking guaranteed profit. Lalo na sa loob lang ng 6 days or 8 days or 10 days. Yan po ay pambobola lang nila, pang-hype para nga mauto kayo at mag-invest kayo doon sa investment scheme nila. The said entity likewise offers a referral bonus equivalent to 5% of the investment received by the entity from the referrals made by its members. Based on the entity's representation, the purported source of the guaranteed income offered by the entity to the public comes from its cryptocurrency trading activities allegedly using Binance as its platform. Pero binobola lang po kayo ng mga companies na yan dahil di naman talaga sila nagde-trade. At syempre kasama dun sa pambobola yung referral bonus para nga ma-hype yung mga members na mag-invite pa ng mga panibagong investors. The investment offering by Centuros Finance Group 2 constitutes selling or offering for sale of unregistered securities in the form of investment contract, as the investors are enticed to earn guaranteed profit ranging from 80% to 160% by simply investing their money to Centuros Finance Group 2 in violation of Sections 8, 26, and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code. by the mere fact of Centuros Finance Group 2 absence of primary registration with this commission either as a corporation, one-person corporation, or as a partnership, it follows that it cannot be issued secondary license to solicit, offer, and sell investment to the public as required under Section 8 of the SRC. Hence, the offering of the subject entity of unregistered securities to the public constitutes violations of Sections 8, 26, and 28 of the SRC. The same likewise constitutes a violation of Section 11 of the Republic Act No. 11765, also known as the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act, as the offering and selling of unregistered securities is defined as investment fraud under Section 3F of the same Act. Accordingly, the Commission warns all unscrupulous individuals and or entities that strict penalties are imposed for violations of the Securities Regulation Code, the Revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, and such other laws, rules, and regulations enforced by the Commission. At ito naman po ay babala para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents of Centuros Finance Group 2 vis-a-vis Oliver Pascua in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by said entity, including solicitations and recruitment through the internet. Pati po yung mga uplines pwede rin makasuhan, may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC and Section 11 of the FCPA and separately penalized with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. So, pwede po kayong pagmultahin up to 5 million pesos at separate po yan Pwede kayong pagmultahin sa paglabag nga dun sa SRC, pati na rin sa paglabag sa FCPA. So, pwede kayong pagmultahin up to 10 million pesos. Total po yun. Tapos, pwede rin po kayong makulong up to 21 years dahil nga sa paglabag sa SRC. Kaya po mga kababayan, huwag kayong magpapasilaw doon sa DRB. Huwag na po kayo mag-recruit dahil baka mapahamak din kayo. Bukod nga doon sa mapapahamak din yung marirecruit nyo, ay pwede rin po kayong makasuhan ng downline ninyo. In view thereof, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by Centuros Finance Group 2 vis-a-vis Oliver Pascua, as well as in any other entities having the same or similar schemes, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of Centuros Finance Group 2 vis-a-vis Oliver Pascua. At kung meron po kayo impormasyon tungkol nga sa investment solicitation ng kahit sino individual o grupo ng individual on behalf of Centuros Finance Group 2 vis-a-vis Oliver Pascua, pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department na Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email po na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong September 19, 2023. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.